cough and cold. But if I get it, it's like serious, severe one. I say it takes approx, 2-3 days to finish. It's a packed and all. But
Ma'am, get steaming. It works.
yeah, I do that. Like this time also, I did the same. Only the thing is that this time, it got little severe. Though I try to take some medicines and steam also. That we have the capsule, that green one.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yeah,
let's see. Let's see it
That
works.
eucalyptus capsules.
Yeah, this is good. Okay. Though, so today we are going to start with your listening only. And in this, I have to speak little less. I want to speak more. Hai. So, like, I will give you corrections after your listening, after your performance. So, I think you must be ready with your daily routine today. Are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Let's start. Who is going to speak first? Who is going to speak first? Whoever is ready can start with it.
Ma'am, shall I start?
Okay. You can start.
Good evening to everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the topic of daily routine. As far as my daily routine concerned, I wake up early 5 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth and attend the call of nature, and I drink a lot of lukewarm water in the morning, and I go for doing manifest for a while, and I go for a revision which I studied at the like day before. Then I cook my breakfast and lunch, and I pack that lunch in my tiffin for to my husband and myself. And then I have then I have my ablution done. Meanwhile, my husband wake my kids up and make them brush their teeth, and then he fresh up, and and we both have our lunch, and we start from our home to our mother's home, so that we drop our kids in her mother's home, and and my husband dropped me to the college, and he went to the office. Usually I reach my college between 9:30 to 9:45. I go and then I go to the college and discuss with my guide in the morning. Then I go for do some scholarly works and the work which was assigned by my guide. Our lunch time used to be from 1 to 2. In that, we used to chit chat about some topics like politics or some things which go on in recently, which we going through, and we discuss about some scholarly topics and the journals which we are working in. And then we go to our usual work. We do some scholarly work, and after that my college gets over at get over at 4:30, but we have some work to done with. I start from my college at 5, and I used to go to my husband's office. After that, we both start from there, and we go to our mother's house, pick our kids, and we used to reach our home at nearby 6:30, and we both get fresh, and I started cooking dinner. In that time, my husband used to play with my kids, and after making dinner, I was pretty sure that I finish all the works and make my kids eat before 8, so that I used to attend the class peacefully 8 to 9. And after that, me and my husband used to finish our dinner and we will spend some quality time with our kids. And after that, I used to like, I'm a feeding mother. I feed my son and I make him sleep. And after that, I made my daughter sleep. Usually, it's a count that every day I have to tell her two stories. And while I'm telling the second story, she used to sleep. And I don't know when I used to get sleep by telling her the story. And our day finished with that story.
Oh wow, that's really
Thank
good
you. I
and
think
very. It's really good and very, a big routine. I would say it's a long routine.
yes, ma'am, it's a long routine, but it's like a chain.
Yeah, right. It's like very different. But it seems that your day gets very busy as per the work or something, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's quite busy. I'm studying as a scholar, as a full-time scholar.
Okay. Mhm.
So it was quite busy. Saturday, Sunday was my day off. At
Mhm.
that time, I used to spend time with my kids more.
Actually, you have only one kid, na?
No, ma'am, two. One at the age of 6 and one 2 years old.
Mhm. Okay. Nice to know your routine. And
Thank you.
I think like the same routine continues for a long time, I think, right? As you are a feeding mother, it will continue to
Yes,
for
ma'am.
some time more, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, it's I will finish at 23. My PhD will get over at 23, 2023.
Yeah. Okay. So let's begin with another one's routine here today. I may not be much visible in the camera. See, to you, myself, I'm feeling like very swelled up and all. It's okay, but I can listen to you properly. Who is the next performer here?
Shall I?
Yes, Manisha, you can.
Good evening, one and all. I am Manisha from Delhi. Today's my topic is my daily routine. To become a successful, everybody should follow a strict schedule. Only then one should get success in his life and spend his life peacefully. As far as my daily routine is concerned, I wake up at dawn and I drink 2 glasses of lukewarm water. Then I attend the call of nature. I go for a walk for 15 minutes. After that, I go to kitchen to make a breakfast and lunch. Also, as I am working woman, then I have to prepare both at in the morning time. Then I pack my tiffin, and I prepare all the food to my kids, my husband. Then I take shower. Usually I have take heavy breakfast in the morning. uh, Actually whole day I am so busy, that's why I take heavy breakfast in the morning. I leave home at 8:30 a.m. and I go to office over and I do my work, whatever the work assigned by my senior. I come back from office at 6 p.m. Then I take a nap. 6:30, around 6:30 p.m. I take tea with snacks. As I have two kids, then I have to also look after their homework, their study, and I help them to doing their homework. After that, I go to kitchen to make dinner. Uh, Always my husband help in my kitchen in the kitchen, and I uh, I want to nowadays I am taking a spoken class 8 to 9. So this is my target that before 8 I have to cook my dinner. So after class I take dinner and go to sleep. Before going to sleep I serve the net sometimes, and usually I follow this routine strictly, but mostly Sunday I don't follow this routine. Actually, I get up little late on Sunday. That's all about my daily routine. Thank you so much.
Okay, Prabha. So ladies have really a long routine, right? You are also saying
Right,
the
ma'am.
same. Even sometimes I feel like my routine is also up to like that. Okay, so let's listen to the next boy. Any man in the group who can also share such long routine if they have. Come on, Riemann, you come. You look prepared. Come.
Ma'am, I am not prepared, but I am speak.
So never say that I am not prepared. Try to say positively that let's start.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Come on, let's begin.
Good evening, all of you. I get up in the morning, 7 o'clock. Then I am fresh up 1 hour, and uh, I I am doing meditation 30 minutes, and then I am after then I am reading newspapers and magazines. Uh, and then first slot 3 hours I am studying uh, uh, general studies like history, political, uh, geography, and uh, news analysis, India, national, international level, uh, like NBC, ABC, CNBC, and ANI. Then uh, I am then I take breakfast and 9 o'clock, and ma'am, that's it. Thank you.
It is still breakfast. You continue now. What all you do? Continue with it.
Then I was going to teaching 3 hours some students, intermediate level students, and I am coming home. Then I am coming home, and
And you should say after coming home.
after coming home,
Hmm.
after coming home, and second slot, 2 hours. Then I was studying introductions of media and English language also. And I am free time. I was I am watching TV, like TV serials, yeah, comedy, and this is my daily routine. Thank you so much.
Okay, okay, Riemann. But I think you can prepare more. You can prepare better, You can do that. Okay, Pooja, ready? The faces are visible to me, so I can guess whether they're ready or not. Am I audible, guys?